what's going on, everyone? I'm Saba, and thanks for tuning into my channel, Savoring with Saba. I am super excited to share today's recipe with you because I have been loving these vanilla protein waffles I've been making recently. So I'm not gonna lie, I do not eat breakfast regularly, and I don't even really like waffles because I prefer pancakes instead. But I recently got this double-sided waffle maker, and it's been a dream. So I've been making waffles for like no reason at all. So today I get to use one of my kitchen gadgets because I love collecting gadgets, and I'm gonna share something that you don't need flour for. Just use protein powder, and that's gonna make sure that you still get that fullness without feeling heavy. So without further ado, let's get ready to make vanilla protein waffles. Hey guys, so I have my friend London with me. London,
Yes,
say
you
hi
do.
to the people.
What's up, people?
Oh no, we got.
Well, I have.
No, back it up. Say hi to the people.
What's up? What's up? What's
Yeah,
up?
I know you're hungry. That's why he has little
I'm
energy.
starving.
I told him about my waffle. Wow, I told him about my waffle maker. I'm so excited to eat. I'm sorry, guys. And he's like, I want some waffles. So that's what we're making today.
Where's Auntie at? Where's the Auntie? I'm looking for Auntie and I do not see it. Aunt Jemima.
I'm about to push you on to new things, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so let's get ready.
All right.
So I'm really excited because these vanilla protein waffles are delicious.
Okay.
They're filling,
All right.
and they're low on carbs, which is one of the biggest things about my show.
Okay. All right.
So are you ready?
I'm not, but I'm open.
Okay. So I know you're new to this channel or my show. And I have a question for you because I usually
Ask
don't
away.
share my kitchen space with people.
Oh,
But I need to.
Okay.
Here we go. We're gonna dial it back. There we go. So I need to assess your skills so I know what I'm working with today.
All right.
So I'm gonna ask you, how would you describe your cooking skills? I'm gonna give you 3 descriptions. Choose one. Would you consider yourself kitchen challenged?
Okay.
That's someone who doesn't know the way around a kitchen, and when they're in the kitchen, it's a bad situation.
All right.
2, kitchen savvy, where you may not be an expert, but you got a couple of recipes under your belt. You know, every dabble here and there.
Okay.
There we go.
All
Or
right.
3, are you kitchen king, where you be like, Saba, back up. I got this. I'm gonna show you how it's done.
All right. Well, you guys.
Don't lie.
I am a king, and I am option 3. So let's rock. Expert, not a beginner. When it comes to breakfast, I can make a mean breakfast. I haven't made a breakfast with peanut butter before. This is new. I don't know exactly where we're going with this, but
Just follow my lead.
we're
I
making
got you.
waffles.
I got y'all.
Look,
I got y'all.
I'm the king of waffles and pancakes.
So let's get this started
So what
first.
you need me to do?
I want to mix the dry ingredients first,
Okay.
and then we'll put in all the wet ingredients.
All right.
So first things first, we're using our protein powder. Now this is going to substitute flour. Flour has a lot of chemicals, it's very heavy, and when you do make pancakes or waffles with flour, you tend to feel really full, and you don't want to feel just heavy and lumpy, you know?
Okay.
Like you want to feel light but still satisfied.
All right, I'm with it.
So vanilla protein powder.
Okay, back up. Remember option 3.
Oh, okay.
See, it takes skill to do this, all right? You have to
I thought you were
it.
hungry.
Oh, okay, yes, I am. So let's pour that in. You gotta make sure the rest comes in.
That's what you do. Okay, so now we're gonna add some baking powder. Bam.
All right.
Doesn't it smell good?
It does. All right. You gotta make sure. All right.
Nice, nice.
All right.
Now we're gonna have a pinch of salt. So take the salt.
Pinch of salt.
Bam.
There we go.
Now we're gonna mix our wet ingredients. Eggs, obviously.
I'm a little nervous about that other ingredient,
Look,
but
you said you were open.
I am. Let's
Woo! You
Come
know
on.
I'm wearing white.
You're in the kitchen, so hold on, time out. You're in the kitchen now. You're scared to get messy.
Now he's trying
Oh,
it.
okay.
Oh, he's trying it. You know what? When you're a kitchen queen, you don't get any messy.
Don't
But I don't know about your
wear
skills.
stuff
I don't
that
know
you don't
about your
care.
skills.
You don't get messy in the kitchen.
Cause I got
Grandma used to always get messy. So.
Take that peanut butter. This.
You have a spoon?
Yes, I do.
Okay. You have to get messy in the kitchen
Here you go.
if you really cooking.
Oh, fun thing. So I use Smucker's organic, like all natural creamy peanut butter. That's key. Don't get the crunchy stuff, get the creamy stuff because that's gonna help make this batter nice and smooth. This is so delicious, not the way that he's doing that. Don't do that. Just pour that into the blender. It adds texture to your waffles and it helps fill you up too. Okay, so last thing is coconut oil, okay? Coconut oil is one of my favorite oils. It's healthy for you. You can use it. I melted it. Okay. You can like bathe in coconut oil. Get your edges back together, help your health, all that stuff.
Good for the waffles, good for the hair. Let's go.
I use coconut oil for everything.
For everything?
Everything.
You put that on everything. Can't curse.
Okay. So now all we have to do is blend. This gets a little...
Can I do the honors?
Yes, you can.
All right.
Put this on. And then you can put it on...
Well, for those who do not know how to work a blender, you must first press this power button.
Oh, don't press it. I already did, yeah. There we go.
Right. And then you want to press...
You can either medium or high, depending on how hungry you are, so we can get the power. All right, guys, and as an optional step, you can add some vanilla milk into the mix. It's gonna add that extra vanilla flavor that we love. Okay. Have you ever had this type of milk?
Never had.
This is our vanilla plant-based milk. I love this stuff. I've been using this for years, and they finally put them in regular stores like Safeway and Wegmans, so it's a lot easier to find, and obviously Amazon.
I am curious. We are putting peanut butter. We're putting milk.
Yes.
I'm very curious on how these
Don't worry. Be curious and be open. It's
I'm open. I'm definitely open. Let's just see.
Okay, so I'm going to continue to blend, and then we'll be right back. So our waffle batter is done. Are you excited?
Very excited.
Doesn't it smell good?
It actually smells pretty good.
Yes, the vanilla is just bursting out here of this lovely blender. So, okay, don't get too close.
No, I'm not.
So now we get to use my waffle maker, which is honestly the best part of this whole process for me because I just love gadgets. So I'm gonna let London do the honors.
Because I did choose option 3. I am the chef.
Okay, yes you are. So go ahead, look at all that lovely steam. It's ready. So go ahead and spray that cooking spray.
So it takes some skill to do this, okay?
Oh, okay.
So you do 1.
Watch the elbows now.
2, 3. You want to make sure it's very.
I mean,
am I taking over?
I'm just saying.
Okay. You want to make sure that it's properly greased, all right? Then some people forget the top.
Don't do that.
All right, now we're ready, people.
Hey, okay. So we have our first batter. You're gonna pour the batter evenly across all of the 4 plates.
All 4?
Yeah. So just start pouring.
All right.
Yes, there we go. We like that. We're gonna add a little more too. Yeah. Why not? It's really thick. There we go. Bam.
I'm not gonna lie.
There we go.
This is starting to make me happy. Food makes me happy. And the smell, off the chain.
Bam, that part. So close it.
That part.
And lock it in, and then twist it.
That's the hotel waffle. Everybody loves these.
Yes, okay, that's why I bought it. So open up this plate.
What?
Open up this one here. There we go. It's the second one. Bam. Now you're going to...
Oh! We're not used to the double layer. Oh, they getting fancy in here. You can make 2 waffles at the same time. Yo.
You said you were hungry.
This is dope.
Okay, so grease this pan as well.
I was confused. I'm like, yo, we just put it down. Why are we gonna open it? Oh, okay. Not even the hotels got this. Oh, we fancy.
This is how I treat you here at Savoring with Saba.
That's right.
Now pour some over the plates. That looks really good. Perfect.
Now you don't want to do too much.
Yeah, we don't want to do too much or else it won't close all the way.
Right.
I think that's good. Perfect. So typically, it's gonna take about 4 minutes. We like our waffles a little brown, right? Ooh, perfect. We like our waffles a little brown, but not too crispy. So about 4 minutes should be fine. So we'll be right back with our waffles. So our waffles are done. Yay, finally.
Yay.
Yay. So now you're gonna open up the waffle maker. Okay, get your final waffle.
These do look like some regular waffles.
Thank you. And don't they smell good?
They smell bomb.
Mm-hmm. So take yours.
Okay.
And then, I see that's nice, right? Mm-hmm. Don't worry, mine's about to burn. Wait, get mine too.
Okay. I get happy, man. I get happy.
I need you to concentrate.
All right.
That hotel waffle maker.
But you sure you want your waffle, man?
I'm hungry too. Bam. That's me a person.
This one was
It's
my
his
fault.
He didn't put enough batter, but it's still good. It's still gonna taste good too.
I knew I didn't put enough batter, but it's cool though.
It still tastes
It's
good.
okay to make mistakes
Yes.
in the kitchen.
That's what
No
it's
one's
all
perfect,
about.
besides me.
Oh,
But
Lord.
no one's perfect.
Oh.
All right.
You ready to try this? Let's turn this off because it's good now.
Mm.
All right, so we have our sweetener, or our syrup of choice. I like to add a couple of things to my waffles. You can put fruit, fresh fruit are awesome. I like to put some nuts on mine, so like almonds or walnuts. Those are good as well. No?
Syrup, and more syrup. That's how I like my waffles. More.
I'm gonna add,
No nuts, no fruits,
I'm
none
gonna
of that.
add some stuff to mine. But are you ready? You've been
Yes,
talking
I'm ready.
about this for a while. All right,
I wonder why.
it's the moment of truth.
Mm.
Doesn't that look good?
You know,
See,
it's all in the
somebody
motion.
talking. I'm waiting. I'm waiting.
You have to check first, right? Did she digest? Okay.
Act like that's not good.
You might be on to something. I don't know where you got this from, but this is, savoring with Saba. I'm not gonna lie. She doing her thing.
Thank you.
Oh, I need some more syrup though. Keep the nuts. Pause.
So, with this though, it's still nice and fluffy because of the protein powder.
Oh. What's the talk? I don't mean to talk with my mouth open, but this is good.
Thank you. See, all that talk about peanut butter, and this is delicious.
I don't even really taste the peanut butter, to be honest.
Exactly. It's like a filling agent for your waffles. Wow.
I'll
Okay.
taste the hint of it.
You're really going in.
Yes, I'm hungry.
Okay. I'll let you do your thing. So we forgot in our haste to eat because we were so hungry
Starving.
to have mimosas. So that's what we're gonna do. Do the honors, London.
All right.
Let me watch my eyes.
Oh, wow.
Ooh. Okay.
And 5, and 4, and 3, and 2. Say 1.
One.
Hey!
Okay, there we go. Get this together.
So are you teaching them how to make mimosa too?
I mean,
Oh my gosh, she
It was a
is
little
teaching them
basic.
everything.
just a little bit of orange juice. We're doing a traditional one.
Okay.
And I like to top it off with a little more
Oh, thank you. She knows me.
champagne.
You know me.
Okay, cheers to a good brunch.
Cheers to
Yes.
different waffles, but they're excellent.
Thank
And
you. Aw, thank you.
I will actually make these.
Oh, and he doesn't
I'm
lie.
not, and I'm not
He's
lying.
not even
I pro-
lying.
Listen to me, I promise you I'm not lying. I'm not just saying this for the video. These are actually good waffles.
Aw, thank
Yeah,
you.
so
Cheers to that.
to being open. Salud.
Yes, that's what we need.
A true brunch.
Yes, thank you. Now he's gonna go back to
Yes.
But everyone, thanks so much for watching. Now, if you want this recipe, go to my website, savoringwithsaba.com. Let me back up the elbows. Savoringwithsaba.com. Again, the full recipe is on my website, savoringwithsaba.com. And if you recreate this dish, be sure to tag me on Instagram and Facebook at Saba Savers. And I'd love to get your comments. So if you want more breakfast items, leave comments below and let me know what your favorite recipe is. Until next time, everyone, happy savoring.